Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to add audio to your timeline on the Edits Instagram app. So if you've recently been editing your videos using the Edits Instagram app and you want to learn how to add audio, then let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you want to first go to your App Store or Play Store. You want to search for the Edits Instagram app. Here, you want to make sure that's been updated to the latest version. Once updated, go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, you want to make sure you're on the Projects tab here, the bottom center. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on the plus sign and you want to go ahead and post a video. So for example, let's go ahead and select a photo and a video. I'll tap on Add. Now here I've selected two photos which are inserted in my timeline. Now here I want to go ahead and add an audio to it. So to do this, there are two ways. You can go ahead and tap on Add Audio just above your photo. Or you can go ahead and select audio at the bottom left. So if you tap that, you can go ahead and select the audio you require. You can go ahead and see For You, Trending, the original audio. If you cannot find the one that you're looking for, you can go ahead and search for it and find it yourself. Go ahead and tap on it to listen to it, and then go ahead and tap on the arrow to add it. Now you want to go ahead and select what part of the audio you require, then tap on Add, and now your audio has been added to your video. To adjust the volume of that audio, you can go ahead and select the audio itself and then tap on volume, and then you can go ahead and select the audio. Tap tick once you're happy with that. And now your audio has been added to your timeline. So there you go, guys. That is how to add audio to your timeline on the Edits Instagram app. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.